Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am HD Bleachers. So guys, on today's video I am going to be showing you how I bleached my brows myself at home. Please check with this product if it works for you before going ahead to follow through with this tutorial. But I have tried this product on my brows once and I never experienced any form of side effects, so that is the reason why I am going ahead to try it out the second time. The reason why the first one didn't meet up to my expectation was because I was so scared of leaving the product for a long time on my brow. Guys, without further ado, let's jump right into this tutorial. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. This is the product that I use on my brow, a developer, and this is the bleaching powder. So this bleaching powder is light gold, just like my hair color, and this is the developer. So we are not going to be using so much. I'm just going to scoop out with my brush. So guys, I mixed both the developer and the bleaching powder. Brows, this is how much I'm going to be using on my brows. If you start noticing any form of sensation like it's burning, your burning sensation, please quickly go ahead and wash it off. You don't have to leave it for long, depending on what you are trying to achieve. If you want it to be white, if you want it to be super light gold, then you can go ahead and do that. But for me, what I'm trying to achieve is to just take it from carbon black to something brown or something light brown. Can you see how I'm running it through my brow hairs back and forth just to get into the hair? So if you just carve your brow or thread your brow, I would advise you give it like 2 days to 3 days before going ahead to do this, so it doesn't burn you. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and wash this off and I'll be right back, because I think I'm okay with the way it's turning out now before it turns to white gold. So guys, this is the brows. This is the bleached brows. You can see how, in my own opinion guys, this looks really nice. I love how it turned out. I'm going to quickly go ahead and do my brows and I'll be right back.